Dr. K.K. Sajo, Vice Chancellor, Kannur University, Sri M.P. Libin Raj, writer, Sri Mohandas, Vice President of Federal Bank, Dr. P.D. Johnny, our loving principal, Srimati Ruby Anthony, and dear loving teachers, parents, and my dear students. A very warm welcome to each one of you to Rajagiri Public School for this function. It is indeed a moment of pride and joy as we gather here to celebrate excellence, perseverance, and the spirit of learning at this prestigious prize distribution ceremony organized by H&C Publications in collaboration with Federal Bank. At the core of every achievement lies dedication, hard work, and the right guidance. Today, we honor and applaud the winners who have demonstrated understanding and their outstanding talent and commitment. My heartfelt congratulations to each one of you. Your success is not just a reward, but also a reflection of your passion and perseverance. Let this achievement be the beginning of even greater accomplishments in the future. To all the students here, whether you receive an award or not today, remember that true success is not measured by prize alone, but by the effort you put in and the lessons you learn along the way. Every challenge you face in your life, every obstacle you overcome, shapes you into a strong and more confident individual. Keep striving for excellence, keep learning, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. A special word of gratitude goes to the parents and teachers. Dear parents, your constant support and encouragement form the foundation of your children's success. Teachers, you are the mentors who ignite curiosity and shape young minds. Your dedication to guiding and inspiring students is really commendable. I extend my sincere appreciation to each one of you for your invaluable role in this journey. I also take this opportunity to thank the H&C Publishers and Federal Bank for their remarkable initiative in recognizing and nurturing talent. Your efforts in promoting education and excellence are truly commendable, and we deeply appreciate your contribution to this noble cause. As we celebrate today's achievements, let's remember that learning is a lifelong journey. Let this event serve as a motivation for all to dream bigger, work harder, and aim higher. Once again, congratulations to all the winners. May your success inspire many more in the years to come. Thank you, and may God bless us all. Thank you.